Good afternoon.
Today is a very exciting day. It is the kickoff of our Think Bigger program, where we are engaging the City of Denver and also all of our business partners, our nonprofit advocate partners, to engage and create opportunity for students.
When a Denver student enters a classroom, it is my hope, and the hope of many of us, I would think, that they see where their future could be.
We are invested in ensuring that DPS students graduate having career-connected learning and meaningful opportunities to earn college credits and industry certifications that will lead them to local, high-growth, high-wage jobs.
It's a win for our economy, for them, an opportunity for our employers and for everyone.
One thing that's very exciting about this partnership is the amount of synergy that we have found among multiple levels of both city leadership, district leadership, and then community leadership.
We think the single most important thing we do for every high school student in the city is to make sure they have the chance to work before they finish high school.
For potential employers, you can support a middle school career day experience or an intern and bringing someone in, supporting us in providing opportunities for students to learn with you in the job force.